So today we are meeting our clients, Ed and Jeanette, out at their beautiful property in Dover. Dover is about 20 miles northeast of Tampa. It's known for its agriculture and farmland.
Here, you guys can do whatever you want out here.
But we also need to know what are some must-haves for this new home.
4 bedrooms and 3 baths.
Okay.
An office, a large main suite with a large main bathroom. We would like to be able to have a nice outdoor eating area, an oversized island. Did I say coffee bar?
No, but you can keep
you keep adding to the list.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, we're coffee holics.
Ed, she knows exactly what she wants.
Well,
I
this
love
lady
this.
does.
Have you envisioned the style of the house?
Yeah.
Craftsman-style and a lot of stonework.
What is your overall budget?
Currently, we're looking at about $465,000.
Okay. So why the urgency? Why do you want this house built so quick?
We bought the lot a few months ago.
And this is going to be Grandma and Grandpa's place and just enjoy life with our kids and grandkids.
Cannot wait for you guys to be in your forever last dream home.
Thank you so much for inviting us into your current home with air conditioner.
You ready to see the floor plans?
We're ready.
We know you wanted that Craftsman-style feel, so that's exactly what we gave you. The textures are gonna be stucco. We're gonna do some stone accents, horizontal lap siding up at the peaks. We have 4 Craftsman columns, beautiful front door with a transom window over the top.
It's very nice.
Perfect.
Let's go inside. Inside, you're gonna walk into the foyer with your enclosed office to the left, then your open dining room to the right.
As you step into the great room, you're gonna notice it feels massive because your great room, kitchen, and breakfast nook are all in one big space.
This is very nice, open.
You're gonna have that indoor-outdoor living that you wanted. Outdoor entertaining, I know is huge for you. So full access from the great room out to the lanai.
What do you think?
Uh-oh, I could tell.
The lanai. It's a little on the small side. I don't know that it's any bigger than what we have, and what we have currently isn't quite big enough.
Okay.
I just like some outside space, you know. If I want to set up the grill, I can grill some things and then feed the family.
So what if we increase the size of the lanai by taking this corner here and pulling it all the way back to here? It's gonna give you more space and line up neatly with the edge of your house.
It's perfect.
That is gonna be a massive lanai. You might need a bigger family and more friends.
I think we're good.
I think we're good. We're good.
All right, so your main suite is one whole side of the house. The layout includes a really big walk-in closet. The bathrooms, you have both a bathtub and the big, large walk-in shower.
Yeah, I like that.
On the right side of the house, you're gonna have 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms.
So this footprint, it includes 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, about 2,300 square feet, and we're keeping it in your budget of $465,000.
You ready?
Very cool.
All right.
Woo, cheers to that.
Cheers to the new house.
Go.
Hey.
Hey, Brian.
Where's your lumberjack shirt?
Oh, man, you didn't give me the memo. Come on, man.
You know I gotta look like Paul Bunyan today.
Yeah, we got to take a few trees out today.
So I need to go through and mark all of these with X's, and those are gonna be the ones that go.
Yes.
The trees coming down today are the ones that are gonna be in the way of the driveway and the future house, but most importantly, all the dead ones that pose a risk of falling on the house once it's built. The good thing is, whatever trees we take out, we always replace. These trees are gonna put up a fight.
Well, it's got a taproot on it about 6 to 7 feet deep.
Pine trees get so tall and they bend in the wind, so their root structure is so large. But we're gonna win this fight today.
Way to go, Ray.
One down, a lot to go. The sun is just starting to rise here in Dover, but we are ready to get going. It's gonna be a long day, that's why we start early. We're finally ready to pour the slab.
like pouring the slab is the beginning of the build. However, there's been a lot of work done already. We have dug the footers, we built the stem wall, underground plumbing, underground electricals in. And apparently I'm standing still too long because
It's gonna get hard.
uh-oh. Jeanette and Ed, congratulations. I come with the house now. Crane got here just in time. We just finished all the interior framing. Now it's time to start flying trusses. And hey, I'm not a fan of heights. I don't like flying, but I love flying trusses. All right, Mika.
Oh my
What you think?
goodness. I feel like the lot actually looks a lot bigger. The first time we came out here, there was a lot more trees. So man, you guys really did a good job clearing this out.
Hey, before they get here, I want to show you what we did on the inside, and
Yeah.
we have to figure out the special project.
Man, nice and open. They're gonna be able to accommodate probably the entire family and friends.
They're all set. We're making great progress here. The gas guys are here right now. Electricians will be here this
Nice.
afternoon to finish everything up, and then once inspections are done, we're ready for drywall.
All right, so now that we're in the space, we really do need to figure out a special project. We're kind of running out of
Yeah,
time.
so I remember when we were at their house, they just kept saying their back lanai wasn't large enough. So we made this one larger, so I figure might as well make this our special project as well. Come on, let me show you what I'm thinking
All
about.
right. Special projects, probably one of my favorite things on each home because it's a surprise for the families and it just kind of throws their personality into it.
All right, hopefully this lanai
Wow.
is big enough for Ed and Jeanette.
This is probably 3 times bigger than the current lanai they have at their house.
At least. So here's my idea for the special project.
Okay.
Ed loves to grill. I would love to give him a grilling station against this wall. A nice size outdoor dining room table right here. So now they have 4 places to eat with this house.
I like the idea of that because I know they want to be outdoors when they can. The only thing I'm not 100%, okay, so depending on how much grilling equipment are we talking?
So I'm thinking the grill against this wall here. So we could, even if we brought it out this far, there's plenty of room.
I'm thinking about layout. I would hate to cut into the livable square footage of this lanai. So here, I think would make the most sense.
Okay.
It's gonna be able to air out. It won't, stream into the house. Then you didn't take away from any of this. So if I wanna have a dining room, a living room, chairs, seating,
Hey, I smell what you're cooking.
okay.
I think they're gonna love it.
They're getting ready to meet us because today is that bittersweet day where they get to see the progress and then we tell them they can't come back.
I have a feeling though, they're gonna be really happy with what they see.
I think so too. Hello.
Like it's ours.
Take it all in, right?
A lot of open space there.
Yeah, we're
Nice.
looking forward to that.
I'm definitely glad, Jeanette, that you guys agreed on doing that nook. It really has like a nice area, plus you get all the natural lighting with the windows, so having that morning coffee right here.
We're definitely looking forward to that. We're feeling good.
We are getting so much done today. While the kitchen cabinets are being installed inside, the outdoor kitchen special project is also getting installed.
Where does this go?
We're gonna go right against the side here. So Mika, we made it to another eve of a reveal in one piece. Ready?
Yep, 1, 2, 3.
This last day is always a push to the finish line. We have landscaping going on the outside, all the furnishing on the inside. We have outdoor kitchen getting the finishing touches on. So a lot of last minute pieces coming into place, hopefully just in time.
And adding those personal touches. Let's see. I like that because then we can kind of
Yes.
display the before and after, put a little easel or something.
Perfect.
Is this Arbor Day?
It may as well be with as many plants we're putting back in the ground. We had to clear 10 pine trees to clear the lot for Ed and Jeanette's dream home. So anytime we take trees out, we always want to replant those back in the ground. This is the last of the big ones, so I think I can do the small ones on my own. I need a favor though.
What's that?
Can you run to the store and grab all the grilling accessories for the outdoor kitchen?
Did you say run?
Well, drive.
Okay, yeah.
Drive
I can do
quickly.
it. Yeah, sounds good.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go, time starts now.
I don't know where you're going. We're gonna find you a spot. I have to say, I appreciate the fact that Jeanette really knows what she likes. So we made sure to keep the design of that craftsman look that they want. I just want both of them to get really overwhelmed in a happy way.
Hey guys, I got everything. What's so funny?
What's this?
That's your father-in-law.
That's your father.
I don't know if I'm gonna give that to Ed or not.
I don't know if I'm ever gonna get that image out of my head. I still have work to do, so I'm just gonna go back in the house and pretend like this never happened.
Oh, man.
You're a mess. Reveal day! I'm very excited for Ed and Jeanette to see this house. Jeanette wanted that coffee station. Ed wanted his breakfast nook, and they both get what they want.
Mika and I met in high school, so it's so cool to see Ed and Jeanette from their high school days. Looking good, guys.
Well, honey, it's about to happen.
Yep, 100 days is come and gone.
Oh,
Can't wait for the kids to see it.
oh yeah, they're gonna probably be more excited than us.
I need like one last glance to make sure everything is perfect,
I think it is.
especially for my girl Jeanette. She notices everything.
All right,
We're here.
we're here.
They're coming this way right now.
Gosh,
Look
There's
at it.
our new house.
Whoa, it's so beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
There they are,
There's
waiting for us.
There's Brian and Mika.
Hey, guys.
Hey.
Sweet.
all right, we're good. Everything's good.
Ed and Jeanette, today is the day you've been
Yes.
waiting for your entire lives.
Yes.
Does this look a little bit different than when we
this
first
is
started this?
different. It was hard to imagine this was what it was gonna be.
I just love it. The columns, the stone. In my eyes, for the Craftsman, it's perfect.
What about your eyes?
You know, my thing with color, the door and the outside colors, I just didn't know how they were gonna work together. But she did it great.
I remember one of the biggest things you don't like about your current house is there's no parking for your friends and family.
parking.
We even gave you your own little parking area over there.
And we appreciate that.
You have the freedom to now host 12 to 15 family members over here.
Oh, yeah.
That's perfect. So enough with the outside. I feel like y'all want to check out the inside.
You're so ready.
We're ready.
Oh, yeah.
We're ready.
100 days ready.
It's a big moment.
Oh,
Wow.
this is nice. This is nice.
super. Look at this. Look at this.
You went right towards the kitchen.
Oh, of course
Well,
she
I'm
did.
looking at the
Of course she
sparkle
did.
in my countertop. Oh, I love it. And the dining room is perfect here.
Oh, that's perfect.
Isn't it something when you see everything that you selected come together in real life?
And you're so nervous about it, you know, is this gonna look good? I thought it would look good, but I'm not so, but I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think
looks
so
real
too.
good.
Love the two-tone wood
And the nook.
and a coffee bar too.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh,
this is just perfect. Taking that window out made,
Oh, yeah, allowed us
A
to
lot
have
of
whatever
sense
sit here so we
to
can
do that.
have
Yeah,
our
we
coffee.
See, it's all about that compromise, but now this is going to be an area that I bet you guys are going to start every single day.
We will.
So it's about the compromise and the coffee.
And the
That's
coffee.
it. That's
there
right.
you go.
first the coffee.
Yeah. All right, we're on a roll, so I think we should check out the great room.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes.
You can put a lot of friends and family in here.
And if you notice behind me, I see a couple headshots of somebody I recognize in
Oh my
here.
goodness.
Who is that?
That's what I want to know. She's still looking good.
I love it.
I tell her every day how pretty she is.
Y'all are so cute. Shall we keep going?
So much more house to see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your office, honey.
Oh, let's check it out.
Ooh, look at this.
Right. This'll work.
It's definitely gonna work.
All right.
Picture, wow.
Oh, that's a
I was
nice.
waiting.
That was nice. Thank you for that one.
I love the picture of us and the Camaro. We don't have a picture of us in the Camaro from 50 years ago, but from today is really sweet.
Shall we see some of the bedrooms?
Sure. Ooh, guest bedroom number
Oh,
one.
this is good size. This is very
Nice.
nice. This would be great.
All right, you guys want to see the other bedroom?
Sure.
All right.
Bedroom number 2 for the guests.
Yes, perfect.
So now the kids and grandkids not only have a place to come eat, they have a place to sleep.
Then we have a whole nother guest room on the other side of the house where all of the grandkids can hang out.
Oh, this is good.
Cool hangout room.
I think it's nice that when you were figuring out your floor plan, you were keeping all of them in mind.
Oh, yeah, because they're so
So-
important to us.
I mean, we're glad we can give them this
Oh, it's
space
perfect.
inside your dream home. So.
Right. It's perfect.
So y'all been taking care of the family, feeding them, giving them spots to hang out. I feel like we need to show you where you are gonna be hanging out in your main suite, which has its own side of the house.
Oh, wow.
This is good.
It's really sweet.
Like sweet.
Sweet.
S-U-I-T.
Yes. There you
Oh,
go.
look at
There you go.
We had a good time in it.
Are you ready to move on to your groutless dream bathroom?
Okay.
Whoa. Look at this. I gotta walk in.
Take it for a test drive?
Love this door.
Let me turn the water on for you.
You better not turn that water on. Look at this. It's beautiful.
It is nice.
So was I right?
You were right. It's good. You were perfect on it.
Hard to install, but it looks good.
Worth it, worth it.
Look at these countertops.
That complements the wall in the shower.
This is great.
Yes.
I would say the whole family's gonna enjoy this
Everybody.
next space.
Okay.
So why don't we
Head out back?
Yeah.
All right, Ed and Jeanette, is this large enough?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Much improved.
That's a big smile on your face, Ed.
Yes, sir.
So, Ed, I think you're really gonna enjoy cooking out here.
Ooh, go check it out, Ed.
Oh, my goodness.
Whoa. I'm jealous of your kitchen. I mean, look at the stonework. I mean,
that
my
cool?
gosh,
Oh, yes,
look
yes.
at that. The gray is so beautiful. The veining and the color variations.
Oh, this is
and all.
very nice, Grant.
It's gorgeous. And
right?
look at this. Ooh.
I feel like they're about to start grilling like today.
This fits into our lifestyle perfectly.
So happy that we got everything you wanted under one roof,
Okay.
including the 4 bedrooms, the 3 full bathrooms, formal dining, an office, a breakfast nook,
A nook.
coffee station.
Yeah.
Yeah, and believe it or not, we put all of that into 2,300 square feet and kept it in your budget of $465,000.
And the fact that you did it in 100 days, awesome. You took our ideas and our wish list and gave us something that we could have never imagined. Incredible is an understatement.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
y'all enjoy. We're gonna head out because I know you want to invite your family over and probably start using this space pretty soon.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you
definitely.
very much. It's really exciting to be here. It's kind of, I don't know the word, Christmas showed up early this year, maybe.
Love it, love it, love
Ready to
it.
fire it up, are you?
Fire it up. We all like instant gratification, and this is not instant, but pretty close.
Now we can all be together and we have all this room. It's wonderful.
How do you like that?
That's a great picture.
Oh, it's beautiful.
So what do you think of Dad's kitchen?
That's awesome.
Gonna have to break it in, you got it. I got a place to cook now. Next Thanksgiving, it's here. We're not gonna bother
Oh,
anybody
yeah.
with parking, so it's great.
Yep.
Y'all ready for that?
Yep.
All right.